Hello, in this video I will show you best features on Redmi 15C. So first of all, in the security app we can find boost speed section, and it can help you with optimizing your phone and get better performance, especially if you are playing some video games. It can help you. You can simply boost speed on your Redmi 15C, and this can help you with your RAM memory and free up some space. Also in the security app we can find app locker and hide apps. So app lock is like you can set the password for the apps, and if you want to open them you have to enter this password. Hide apps section allows you to hide your apps to the special hidden section, so you can enable apps that you want to hide on your Redmi 15C, and it can only be opened by using hidden apps section. In the settings we can find some of the features for example NFC. In the more connectivity options you can find NFC, and this allows you to pay by using your Redmi 15C. You can also select over here payment method and other things. You can set fingerprint unlock in the fingerprint face data and screen lock. In the fingerprint unlock section you are able to set the fingerprint unlock, and also fingerprint is located in the power button, so there is no display fingerprint unlock. In the display and brightness you can find dark mode, which allows you to get black background, and also it's very useful. You can set dark mode to specific apps from here, and also you can find color scheme, and also you can adjust it for your preferences and change color temperature over here. You can find also refresh rate, so you can change it from 60 Hz up to 120 Hz. In the additional settings you can find memory extension, which allows you to enable up to 4 GB of additional RAM, which also can help you with better performance and optimize your phone. I recommend you to use 4 GB of RAM extension. Also you can add some widgets by holding on the home screen on the blank space, and in the widget section you are able to find some of the widgets and just simply add them to your home screen, just like that. Click down and this is the new widget. Also there is screen recorder, so you can simply swipe down your quick settings menu, do it again, and you can find screen recorder over here. And if you have no screen recorder in your quick settings, you have to open edit, and now you have to add it from these options from the bottom. Hold on it, add to quick settings, and basically you have screen recorder. So now I'm opening it and I am able to record my screen. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.